Hello everyone, myself Mohit from EC department and totally in our team there are 5 members. I am going to introduce them. Sharan, Harini, Mullah Sarfraz and Niranjan, and we have chosen the topic why placement is important for a student and what are its advantages and disadvantages, and let's get started. From the student point of view, the placement is a very important thing for him or her, because if they are selected in one company placement, they will get a nice future and they will start their life in a what we can say, in a secured manner. Sarfraz.
எங்க போயிட்ட
So it improves skills and knowledge, including software employment skills and specific special skills. Placement gives students the opportunity to gain skills specific to the industry of the choice, as well as employment skills required for a real life work, which will be very useful. It also increases the knowledge of an industry or sector which they work in, which allows them to make better informed decisions and mature decisions about future choices.
ஹலோ ப்ரோ கேக்குதா ப்ரோ hello everyone, I'm Niranjan. Placement increases understanding and awareness of world of work, uh, personal maturity, self-awareness, the ability to articulate skills and achievements. Therefore, the opportunity to be involved in the term-based working, which provides a welcome contrast to typically more individual setting approach taken to academic study. Okay, this kind of experience is beneficial, builds on self-management and problem-solving skills.
Hi, I'm Sharan from EC department. Yeah, employment prospects and ability to compete in turbulent graduate requirement marketplace. Completing a placement can sometimes lead directly to secured employment with the same employer following graduation. It can be a foot in the door that could lead to temporary or permanent contract.
A placement not only gives a job, but it's quite necessary. It gives you a head start in your career. It keeps your belief that hard work ultimately pays off. It gives you a moral boost of having accomplished something. All the studies, assignments, and the labs attend now seems to be worth. It gives you a confidence that you stand among the few successful people and can crack a requirement process very well. If you get rejected in multiple interviews, it has a detrimental impact physically.
Yes, it also acts as everyone to improve their skills also, and if the company selects only the highly talented people, then the students will work hard to get selected so they can get new ideas also, and then even the country will be developed soon.
It's a source of talent and business software have a discrete project requirement that led themselves perfected to a temporary appointment, particularly for an individual with higher level skills.
Students, placement students bring new ideas with an additional sources of resources to a business, will frequently in turn and significantly value of their employee. Organization placements also have an economic impact on graduates, throughout their career and contribute to improved social mobility and success in their life after.
Yeah, yeah, it is a route to support future requirement. Taking on a placement student holds considerably a fewer risks than recruiting a new full-time employment and high-quality placement. Little initial training is needed to convert a placement student into fully fledged member of a graduate.
As well as allowing students to apply subject knowledge and technical skills in the professional environment. Placements also provide helpful insights to organization, discourse, culture, professional socialization, applied skills, and working relationship. In addition to all these benefits, I believe that handling the increased responsibilities that comes with a placement, such as working in a team, delivering a product or a service, handling critical deadlines, through uh, helpful to prepare students for the challenges of working life after their studies.
Yes, the importance of placement lies in fact that a proper placement of employees reduces employees' turnover dissatisfaction. So, on the other hand, it improves the moral values, placement, and are also important for employment agencies, especially for executive search firms, a type of employment agency that specializes in recruiting executive personnel for companies in various type of industries.
Placement is understood as assigning jobs to select a candidate. Assigning jobs to employees may involve a new job or different job. Okay, placement is not so simple as it looks. Instead, it involves striking a fit between the requirement of the job and qualification of candidate.
The organization can make the best use of differential placement as it specifies several positions for which an individual is suitable and provides enhancements flexibilities of the workforce. It records of the secondary job qualification are adequately maintained. It decreases requiring and selection turnover and increases job satisfaction and productivity.
Every institution has a big board near their main gate advertising that they prepare students for industrial and corporate world. Placement cell is an effective to test that statement. Institution get companies, companies come to an institution based on their reputation. Better ranking institution most have the advantage because everyone assumes that there could be a good percentage of smart individuals, which is true. If students qualify their basic eligibility test that is based on their curriculum, they are offered a job on internship.
Yes, when it comes to the placement year, it is not just a year for a student to enjoy with his friends and chit chatting and going for the movies. It is a very important year in his life because if he get placed in some company, it will be very helpful to him. So the student must work hard in that year to get selected in some of the companies in the college placements. The student can improve his knowledge by applying what he had learned in the seminar classes or um, general classes in his college to apply it in some projects. In that way he can improve his skills and he might get talented and he can be selected easily.
Yes. Although placement years are about learning and working and implementing, it doesn't mean you cannot use the time to explore the places which you call home for like 12 months, which is 1 year, and especially you have moved abroad for placements. So you have it's time to explore. because you are spending 12 months there, and you have to spend time.
The skills and the knowledge you gaining through the placement can often directly apply to your studies, and it improves your graduates, and it helps you to the move to the next stage of your career path more effectively and strongly.
This focus on enhancing students' employment through placement is not simply about getting students ready for their first job. It's about preparing them for their future careers and giving them the life skill to handle whatever the route they may take.
Once again, once again. Okay. Most institutions across the country don't allow the students to sit for campus placement once. Once they are done with their placements, it may be a case that you may lose opportunities to sit for your dream company. You tend to become lazy if you don't utilize your time in other activities.
Yes, placement is understood in allocation of the people to the particular jobs. If the number of people who are trying for a particular job is large, then the competition for the job will be high. So the appliers of the job must be very talented, and they must be aggressive in their skills, and they must be quick, and must maintain the time management. In If they maintain all these things, they will be perfectly fit for a job, and they can be settled well in their life. And it is not only good for the particular person who is working for the job, it will be useful for the company, and for the development for the country also. Thank you.